Hello. Kisam pimireqippunga. Piffitteqarpallarnikuunginnarmaan kisam piffitteqaleqqillaga immiitteqqilerpunga. Taava ullumikkit misilinnialerpara taan YouTube trend ingerlaarter. Then I tried following a blanket makeup tutorial. Taava aaliagerpara Natascha Pedersen makeup tutorial ya ataasmalinniarlingu. Taanna ateqarpo ABH subculture palette. Isiginnaaravit. Taava maliitiginnarpara YouTube familiarisaatto ja. Qanerilernerse ittaarlingu. Produktiipingingikkit allam taarsiitittavakka. Kisia ja. Neriuppunga innerlera attingiumaara.
So before I start, I'm going to go ahead and apply some concealer, and I'm going to use the Natascha concealer in 1.5.
Concealer taan pinginginnakkuuaga tart shape tape aterniarpara. Ja. Takisinnaarer kattuut kiinaa tamaa pinnersarerssamerpasip. Sudinaami kisiaqqalluupeqerpun. Submilare. Neringinnaasum wapastu aten aderikku concealer isinnut aterniaraangakku eqarnerilarpara beauty blender beauty sponge arlaatertarikkuа.
Makeup palettes. So I'm just taking my Smith cosmetic brush, and I'm going to be applying Dawn here, which is the lightest color.
Qalipaasiullerterpaa Dawn. Then
they work better, and just taking a clean blending brush just to blend it all out.
The reason why I choose to use the Natascha concealer is because I think sometimes when you use a product from the same company, they work better, and just taking a clean blending brush.
Maana initteriarlingu tappust aterneqanngitsimiksi wapastu taatiinnatsavara shit usiallamaternikul salinnik Hena concealerin qalleqqilaaginneriarlingu аллаққаатани
Just to blend it all out.
Siaraatillung qantaasarpaa kalaalli wa qaasiulleqqaasartangama Started.
Next, I'm going to apply the shade here, Roxy.
Tatulliaqalipaa Roxy. Taanna maana Amma kiderallu taan qalippaasiulian. Persaatoqqinuttaa.
I'm going to apply the shade here.
Tarsisalaaginnarliumimma qalippaansiul tinga. Kisamiiluamersun filmileerititaarama mobiiliinnakkusiornatin immiittisarnikuullua. Taa neriuppun kvalititiginnerisut. Ja kvalititiginnerippungaan nerivormi. Taa kisam piffitsaqalertia pinngororiornitsaa pinnersaati.
Apply the shade here, All Star.
Taamaina all-stari unartaa tarsisilaaginnarlu.
Let's see how that goes blending it. It does get a little patchy. So I'm just gonna be even more light-handed now with the eyeshadow All-Star because that seems to be the one that's a little bit harder compared to the other colors I used. I'm gonna go back in with Roxy just to see if I can blend.
Taa uappersu allanaternaarpara unga initeriarluni taatsa blenderlu. Qinnaira. Siamaira.
To see if I can blend this All-Star shadow a little bit more. And I'm gonna mix Roxy and All-Star together just to see if I can go in and shape this eye look here because I don't really want to do this look.
I am going to take a small brush to apply the shade here, Rowdy. So for that I'm using this little dense brush. So I'm just like tapping it on the very base of the lash line, bringing it up towards All-Star. Then taking that blending brush with All-Star and Roxy mixed together again, and I'm just going to blend over those colors again. And I'm just tapping rather than blending and sweeping the brush back and forth.
I'm making it like two.
And go back in with the brush I used for the Rowdy color. And there's no product on it. This is just whatever is left from when I applied first time.
With All-Star and Roxy mixed together. Then take that blending brush. color. And there's no product on it. This is just whatever is left from when I applied it first time. Then I'm taking this chrome color cube here. Which is white, but it does apply pink, as you can see. So I'm just gonna apply that all over the lid, and just using a Morphe brush. And it also does help using a shimmer to disguise uneven blending or harsh edges.
Resultaandır işi. Hứa ay tinaqna taqayaqannira angisinnaaravit atipaya nuannaringit salam qammarsalaariarlingi taaqqillaalaarammuga siulleqalipaa taunni atinga Pasti sudah kenyang. Raksi mengak mana? Tahu foundation itu baca foundation nakakakuha. Tahu isi atap pinir.
The eyes now, and I'm using the same shades. I didn't want to do more of like the green colors, but I thought I would do that for another look so you guys can see the eyeliner separately. I'm just gonna go in my brush.
So first with a shader brush and just blending it in here to the very base of the lower lash line. Okay, next up is All Star. I'm just tapping it on rather than brushing it back and forth like I did with the first shade. And lastly, I'm applying that darker shade Rowdy. Taking a clean blending brush with Roxy on it.
Roxy usually trying to all start telling me. So pinag aming kalipata kitalun Roxy al-allaan at sa siya pimdiyan yan. Dewe rock all star nakita lang lang. Tapos tingnan patakilawin na akilawin.
To highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I'm actually going to use this shade here, Electric. So I use the same brush because I'm just that lazy right now. It's easier to use a small brush to get into small areas. So I'm just really packing it on here to the inner corner and kind of blending it up to the shade cube and also to the bottom as well.
Wait on a check at the mad by channel.
There is a lot of fallout, I have to admit. I mean, that's what you have to expect from pure matte pigments, and that's just, I guess, sometimes what some products will be. And I'm gonna apply these lashes here from by Sealer Foam Make Lashes in these.
So kinariyasat agkokin na pengin nekit namin pick at inang nakikatolipo. Jeffree Star Unicorn Platinum. So kirapong.
Really like the outcome of it and hope you guys did too. Let me know in the comments below, and until then, see you next time.
Ano inang maka? Okay pa nga. Sanot lang sila aksan na so. Natascha Pedersen naman. Kaya isiginnaaravit nuannaringit synergit kinama itawsan na yung kommentarer mallan na rin. Kaya isiginnaaravit. Bye bye.